Derek from Masters Remediation Services. We're just documenting in Unit 1806. The tub drain is actually what was causing the leak. You can see there the underneath. This is right underneath the tub. There is the shoe comes underneath the tub, and it was dripping from underneath when we after we replaced the valve. There's evidence that there was a problem before, and she tried to repair the shoe. This piece here goes threads down into this hole and creates the seal with the gasket. Sometimes she obviously tried to reseal this what may be recently, and it either used the wrong type of silicone or didn't give it time to cure, and it never did seal. So we need to fix this seal so it's actually sealing to the bottom of the tub and not getting any leaking around that. But that is the cause of the between that and possibly the valve that we already replaced is the cause of the damage. Okay, here we are. We've now resealed the tub shoe and drain. Filling up the tub, and I'm not seeing any leaking yet. Whereas before it was dripping quite steady. Also not getting any running from or dripping from the line above. The valve. So we're now draining the tub. We've filled it all the way up. We've checked the overflow valve. That's or the overflow drain, and that's not leaking at all. Just monitoring underneath. Do a visual inspection. Make sure we don't have any dripping from that shoe, and looks like we're good.
If you're located in Metro Vancouver or the Fraser Valley, give us a call 24 hours a day at 604-838-8808. If you'd like more information, go to www.mastersremediation.com